Hi and welcome to my first craft video. Forgive me, this is going to be quite a quick one because we have some exciting developments at work at the Wakes. We have had new regulation guidance, which means that we can put on an exciting event. We can welcome a certain person into our building. All will become clear unless we have already advertised it. That's the beauty of filming. You don't know when this is going to be out and released. Anyway, I thought today I would bring you one of my favourite craft makes. This is a glitter bottle, or a tension bottle, or a timeout bottle. They're wonderful things. Time-honoured tradition. This is one I made earlier. This is actually one I made when the children's centre was still open. All you need is a plastic bottle. You can even have a glass jar if you want, but it's glass. If you're using this with children, it might be best to stick to plastic. So all you need is water, glitter, beads if you want. I have a few seaside themed beads in here. Glitter, you can use fine glitter, you can use coarse glitter. The bigger, the heavier the glitter, the faster it will fall. That is why you add some glue or glycerin to make the water thicker, to slow the glitter down. So I'm going to show you how to make this. So I've saved up some bottles, and this one is a juice bottle, which I find is quite perfect, good size. So, first you need to add your glue or glycerin. You don't want to put too much in. Might speed this up a bit. Or, it's going to take far too long. If you're brave, take the lid off. Now, you can experiment with how much glue you put into this. The less you put in, the quicker the glitter will settle. So you can vary the time. So you could have a 5-minute timeout bottle, you could have a 10-minute timeout bottle. If you figure out the right amount of glue or glycerin to water. I'm going to start with this much. Now you add warm water. Warm because it will help things mix. You don't want it hot, you don't want to warp your plastic bottle. Oh. I'd recommend using a funnel. I don't have a funnel. Luckily, I have a nice tablecloth that will keep everything dry and clean. I recommend don't fill it to the top, because if you put some objects in, it's not going to raise the water too much, but you might want to thicken it up a bit more and add some more glue. I'm actually going to mix, I can see where the glue stops and where the water starts, so I'm going to try and mix it together already. That'll do. I'm going to get rid of the foam later. Now, I have read that to stop the glitter clumping together, you can add a few drops of washing up liquid. Never done this before. Thought I'd give it a try. Only a few drops. Don't go mad, otherwise it will create loads of bubbles. You don't want that. That might be a bit too much, but meh. Okay, now I thought I would add a few plastic beads into this. These are lovely stars. Gives us a nice Christmassy theme. and they float wonderfully. How many do I put in? Yeah. And I'm going to add my glitter. I'm going to make this nice and wintry and Christmassy. So a bit of white. Quite a bit. Maybe a bit of blue. Gorgeous colour blue. And I like this colour as well. Purple goes nicely. You can make whatever theme you like. Choose whatever colours you like. See, it's already clumping together, but hopefully the washing up will sort that. Yeah. Okay. Give it another try. There's quite a lot of purple, and maybe put a little bit too much purple in there. Oh no, that's still good. You can also add a bit of food colouring in. So with the previous bottle, the bottle was already coloured, so it's a nice green colour anyway. Mix that up, see how that looks. Again, you can experiment with how much you put in. Quite a dark blue, it's quite nice. And I think I'm happy with how much glue is in there, so I'm just going to top it up. Again, lucky that I put the plastic tablecloth down, because I can just get rid of the foam and clean it up later. And I like to fill it right to the top, get rid of all the air, because it tends to stop the water foaming up and becoming too frothy. Yeah. Again, good job. That one. Good job, I put a tablecloth down. Now, if this is going to be used as a timeout bottle for a young child, it's a very good idea to glue the bottle top on. It stops inquisitive children from opening up the bottle. This is just for me, so I'm not going to. Let's see what this looks like. Not bad. You catch a glimpse of colour in there. Perhaps a bit darker than I would like. I did cheat a little bit. I did make one earlier. I've got a few coloured beads in there. You can just about see that there. Some stars as well. I'm going to move this to the side. So starts off clear, mix it up a bit. This one had a lot more glue in. And there. pretty Christmas time out bottle. I will bring you more videos, more in depth, when we have got our special project set up, when I have a bit more time. Thanks for watching.